Hey everyone, Rob from Overland Gear Guy. We were recently at the Overland Expo West in Flagstaff, Arizona. Had somebody come up and ask about a bag for the Geyser shower systems there. And fortunately for us, Geyser had a booth there. Went down there and they lent me one of these the shower systems and made a bag for it. So this top pocket here, well, either pocket, you could put the hose and the cords there, and then the sponges down in the lower one. It's got the name tag, carry handle that you can have vertical or horizontal, and then it's got the side strap there, so you can just hand carry it if you don't want to use the shoulder strap. Also, we're just putting a link to our Jetboil pouch because they kind of go hand in hand. We'll put that link in the product description, so make it real easy for you. Gonna have this in numerous colors here on the website, and if you need something custom done, we can always do that. Just like this customer did. Hey, do you make a pouch for this? And it's like, I had not seen it before, so it worked out quite well. So another American-made product. We've been making all types of gear since 1990, and all of it carries a lifetime warranty. So let us know what we can make for you today.